Alright, Shimluri. Now, I just have to record the video and send it to you. So this is the work. The work says the window has a shape of a regular decagon. So the word decagon simply means that it has 10 equal sides. So this is size 1, size 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. Okay? So it's a regular decagon. The distance of one vertex to the other opposite vertex through the center, so this is a line showing the distance to the center of the window. This is the center of the window by this red dot in the center, is 2.2 meters. So if I should probably have this, okay, you see that arrow? The arrow is the one showing me, noting the distance, which is 2.2 meters. Alright, so the question asks, to the nearest centimeter determines the length of the frame of the window. So the frame of the window is just what? The sides, the 10 sides. Okay, so that means that we're going to get, once we get the length of a side, this may be from this side, from this point to this point. Okay, once we get one, then we can know the size of the other. I believe you get that. Okay, now let's start first by saying that this length is like a diameter of a circle. I want you to get that established. That 2.2 meter is like a diameter of a circle, and you can see also this dotted line is also another diameter, just like this words, just like this straight line, just like this diameter, this 2.2 meter. So these two dotted line that cut across, still passing through the center, is still the same 2.2 meter. I don't know if you understand. Okay, so each line at the middle of the circle is divided into two. So I want to say that for this length, for this side, you have 1.1 meter. Then the rest of the side here, okay, is another 1.1 meter. I don't know if you understand. So that's like the radius. Okay, I just wanted to get it straight. That's just like the radius. So meaning that if I should try and form a triangle, let's assume I want to try and form a triangle with side 1, just something like this, and with the two radius from the center of the circle. These are the center of the circle. So let's assume I have side 1, which is this side. Then I want to make this 1.1 centimeter, another 1.1 centimeter. So that means this is what? 1.1 centimeter, and this is another 1.1 centimeter. Okay, so the target now is that I just have to get the length of this side. Let me name it side half. I don't know if you get what I'm saying now. Shimluri. So now getting the length, that's the length from here to here. After the ones I'm able to get one of it, then I'm okay. Okay, like I'm okay. Now what will now help me to get it is this. Now when you look at the whole circle, okay, everything is 360 degree. Do you understand? It's 360 degree. By the time I divide it into equal 10, it means that each of these is going to be having what? 36. This will have 36. This will have what? 36 degree. That's 360 divided by 10. So if I'm to do every other like that to the center, every other like that to the center, every other like that to the center, in each of the angles we have what? We have 36 degree. We have 36 degree. So it means that inside there, I just have 36 degree. Okay. So if truly I have 36 degree, this is what is called isosceles triangle. These sides and these sides are equal. Okay. So if the two sides are equal, don't worry, we're still going to go more in depth into it, just to solve this particular question for you. Please, just to solve this particular question for you. So now remember that in an isosceles triangle, the two angles that are facing the two equal sides are equal. Okay, Like this angle is facing this side. I don't know if you can see the movement on my pen. It's facing this side. And this angle now is facing what? Is facing this side. So those two angles are what? Are equal. What does that mean? So if the angle here is A and also the one here is A, that means that you are saying A plus what? 36. Everything is equal to 180. So that means that 2A plus 36 equals 180 degree. Alright. Now you can say 2A now is equal to 180 minus 36, and 2A is equal to, when you remove 36 from 180, that should be giving me something like 144. And now my A is 144 divided by 2. That's what? That's, I think, 72. If I'm right, yes, I should be right. 72 plus 72, 144. 144 plus 36 should give me 180. So meaning that A, I want to withdraw. The angle here is what? 72. The one here is also what? 72. And the angle here is what? The angle here is 36. Now I have here 1.1 centimeter. Here I have here 1.1 centimeter. Now the only length I'm left with is what? Is this length. Okay? Is this length. And once I have that length, then I'm just going to multiply it by 10. It's going to give me the what? The frame of what? Of all the vertices. The frame of all of them. That's just going to multiply by 10. Now what am I going to do? Now the only thing that can bail me out here is what I call cosine rule. Okay? It's what I call what? Is what I call cosine rule. Now cosine rule is almost like Pythagoras theorem. Almost like Pythagoras theorem. So now let's assume that this place is R, and you need to get R. How do you get R? You get R by saying your R square is equal to 1.1 squared. That's for this side. Okay. Plus another 1.1 squared. Okay. Then this is going to be minus 2 cos 36. Okay. Minus 2 cos 36. Why? Because 36 is the angle opposite directly to R. Do you understand? So now moving on, I'm going to have R square equal to, when I have 1.1 square, 1.1 square should give me 1.21 plus another 1.21. Okay, then everything now minus 2. What now? When I calculate cos 36, let me quickly run that here on my phone. I should try and calculate cos 36. Cos 36 should give me let me do calculator. Okay, maybe I should just quickly skip this projection and quickly use the what's it called, calculator. So I just need cos 36. Okay, cos 36 is giving me here minus 0.127. Okay, cos 36 here is giving me minus 0.127. Cos 36 cos. No, it's not actually. Sorry, I think that's an error. Is when you say 36 cos, I think here I'm having it to be 0.809. 0.809 in deck. So that is cos 36. Now multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. That is 1.618. So that's 1.618. So okay, so now everything here is 1.618. But let me, that's 2 multiplied by cos 36. I got it to be 1.618. Okay, now my R is not going to be equal to square root of 1.21 plus 1.21. I think that's going to be 2.42 minus 1.618. So or let me just approximate 1.62. Okay, by the time I do the subtraction,